What if your city could spot broken buildings, illegal dumping, and graffiti before anyone even reports it? And fix it faster than ever without adding more staff? That's exactly what one startup is doing right now, and it's changing how cities operate. Here's the reality. Most cities today are still stuck using manual inspections to track urban decay. That means slow reporting, missed issues, and neighborhoods that gradually decline before anyone steps in. In some cases, teams can only inspect around 50 problem properties per week. Now imagine scaling that to thousands. That's where City Detect comes in. Founded in 2021, the company is using Vision AI to help local governments monitor the condition of buildings and neighborhoods in real time. Instead of sending people out to inspect every street, they've turned everyday city vehicles into data collectors. Garbage trucks, street sweepers, vehicles that are already driving through neighborhoods every single day. As these vehicles move, cameras mounted on them capture images of nearby buildings and streets. Then, City Detect's AI analyzes those images instantly. Think of it like a hyper-focused version of Google Street View, but built specifically to detect problems. We're talking about graffiti, illegal dumping, litter on roadsides, and even signs of structural damage like roof issues or storm impact. And here's where it gets interesting. The system doesn't just detect problems. It helps cities act on them faster. Local governments can send crews out quickly, often resolving issues before they escalate or before fines and citations are even needed. That's a big shift. Instead of reacting late, cities can respond early. Now, quick pause. If you're into how AI is actually being used in the real world, not just hype, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. It helps more people discover this kind of content. Back to the story. City Detect's CEO, Gavin Baum-Blake, built the company around a simple idea. Cities are struggling with urban blight and decay, and the current system just isn't scalable. His biggest competitor isn't another startup. It's the status quo. And the numbers prove the difference. Human teams might track about 50 properties a week. City Detect's AI can process thousands in the same time frame. That's not just improvement. That's a complete operational shift. The platform also includes some surprisingly advanced features. For privacy, all faces and license plates are automatically blurred. At the same time, the AI can actually tell the difference between street art and vandalism, which is something even humans sometimes debate. It also helps identify landlords who aren't maintaining their properties properly, adding another layer of accountability. Right now, City Detect is already working in at least 17 cities, including places like Dallas and Miami. And the traction is real. The company just raised $13 million in a Series A round led by Prudence Venture Capital, bringing its total funding to $15 million. But funding isn't the only signal here. City Detect is also part of the GovAI coalition, follows its own responsible AI policy, and is SOC2 Type 2 compliant, meaning it meets strict standards for data privacy and security. That matters, especially when you're deploying AI in public spaces. The new funding will go toward hiring more engineers, improving their storm damage detection technology, and expanding across the United States. And the early results are already showing impact. Cities are seeing faster cleanup times, quicker detection of issues like illegal dumping, and more problems being resolved before they turn into bigger violations. Here's the bigger takeaway. AI isn't just about automation. It's about visibility. When cities can actually see what's happening in real time, they can act faster, allocate resources better, and improve quality of life without massively increasing budgets. This is what practical AI looks like. Not flashy, not theoretical, just solving real problems at scale. And as more cities start adopting systems like this, the gap between AI-enabled municipalities and traditional ones is going to grow fast. If you found this valuable and want to stay ahead of how AI is transforming industries, make sure you're subscribed. And check out the related video on your screen right now. It breaks down another real-world AI shift you don't want to miss.